Hi, hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Anshuli Singhal Kalash. I'm an orthodontist. My specialty is giving people beautiful smile by straightening their teeth, by aligning their teeth, or by sometimes growing children have some jaw discrepancy, so diagnosing it and treating it at the right time. That's my expertise. So we have 2-3 methods of doing that. Once a child is an adult, we have these options of braces, and these are various basically methods to straighten the teeth. So one of the latest methods I would like to talk about today is Invisalign. So what is Invisalign, or what are aligners, so to say? Invisalign is just a company. What are aligners? So aligners are basically, they're like splints like this that you wear on the teeth to these align the teeth. So does one aligner do the work? No, one aligner cannot do the work. There's a series of multiple aligners. As you can see here, I have a box of aligners and it says 1 of 15 of 42. So it, in a way that it's showing that there are 42 aligners and this box contains 1 of 15. So these aligners have to be changed every weekly, or once in 2 weeks, or once in 10 days, depending on how the plan has been made for tooth movement. So aligners are like, they come in sterile pouches like this, and there's the numbering on them, like 1, 2, 3, as you can see. So these are sterile pouches that are attached to each other. So when you need to change your aligner, you just open the Ziploc pouch and just insert the aligner. So these are very easy to wear, and as we can see that they are removable, so the patient doesn't have a lot of problem as with braces you have while chewing or while maintaining your oral hygiene. With aligners, you just need to remove them, brush your teeth, clean and maintain your oral hygiene, and insert them back. So it's a very efficient method of straightening teeth. Remember, while all this you're able to enjoy, your teeth are also getting straightened when you wear your aligners. I would like to now discuss the differences between aligners and braces. Let's first talk about the differences to the patient, like what the patient goes through when they have braces versus when they have aligners. So when the patient, let's say they choose braces as their teeth straightening method, so we first obviously collect records in both the cases, and then we have a bonding appointment where we bond these brackets. Each bracket is bonded on a single tooth, and I decide where I want to place which bracket for which tooth. It's the same for the ceramic as well as the metal braces. Whilst in the aligners, we have an attachment bonding appointment. So as you can see, there are attachments on these teeth which are barely visible. Like these are customized attachments. So some teeth might have them, some teeth might not have them. So firstly, what attachment the tooth has, on one side you have the bracket, and on one side you have the bare minimally visible attachment. This is one difference. The second is, like, this is a fixed treatment, whilst these aligners, these are removable. These can be removed and inserted. So if, let's say, you have an important social outing to attend, you do have the option to remove your aligners and go, whilst you don't have that option with your brackets. The third is, you have the freedom to eat whatever you want to eat, because as you are removing your braces, your aligners while eating, you can eat anything, because there's no fear that a bracket might break, because in this scenario we don't have brackets. There are no, over here there might be chances when sometimes the tooth is moving and a tooth is sore, or a bracket shifts in position along with the tooth, so it becomes a little pokey or pointy and it pinches at that point. Whilst over here, there is no such thing that is going to poke the cheeks from inside. There are no wires. It is a wireless tooth moving appliance. So these are 3 benefits, that you can remove them, you can eat whatever you want, and then the comfort that comes with it, the comfort and freedom. And you can travel if you have your aligners, and you can be away for a long time without seeing the clinic or your orthodontist, because this is a pre-planned treatment. That means while this treatment is also pre-planned, but the visits are more frequent. You have to visit your clinic at least once in 45 days. Over here with aligners, you can just have all your aligners with you, and then you can visit as per the requirement. You can even visit once in 4 months, or once in 6 months, even once in 3 months. So that freedom, that you don't have to frequent the dental clinic very often, is there with aligners. It's not so much there with braces. I would like to emphasize at this point that braces are a very good treatment option as well. This is more digital and AI generated. These aligners are used, artificial intelligence helps the dentist, and the dentist is able to interact with artificial intelligence in getting these aligners printed, whilst over here the treatment is completely dependent on the orthodontist and what positions they choose for your teeth, all your teeth, your upper and lower teeth. Whilst this is a little bit more, this is actually the latest modality of treatment. So these are the basic differences with aligners. It's a pre-planned treatment, whilst this is planned, you can say, every month. There's also a plan with this, but obviously with every month, monthly there are visits. With this, monthly visits are not there. You have some food restrictions, like you cannot eat very hard brittle foods, whilst with aligners you can eat. There's freedom to eat, there's freedom to travel, and also these are removable. So you have, with braces you don't have that option that I just want to remove them for a month, I want to attend some social event and then I want to have them back. With aligners you have that freedom as well. So basically aligners are like freedom in a box. As you can see, the teeth are shifting and something is happening, and if you will zoom here, you will see that some stages are going on. So what are these stages? Like from the current stage, then aligner number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these movements, as we are seeing a video right now, is actually like a time lapse of how the tooth movement has been planned over 42 aligners. So if we see it closely, in every stage some tooth movement is happening. Little by little by little by little tooth movement is happening. This is called the pre-planning of the aligners. The treatment is pre-planned. As you can see, all the aligners are here in a box. All of them have come. So as you can see, this is a scan. So just before we start our aligners, we want the latest scan of the tooth, all the cavities that have been filled, etc., the cleaning that has been. After that, we take a scan. We scan the teeth, and then after scanning the teeth, then we do the planning or the staging of the treatment. So this is the first step that you need to get done to start with aligners. Thanks.